The purge valve solenoid is a critical part of your car's evaporative emission control system. It helps manage the flow of fuel vapors from the charcoal canister into the engine for combustion. When the purge valve solenoid fails, it can cause various problems that affect engine performance, emissions, and fuel efficiency. Here are the most common signs and symptoms of a faulty purge valve solenoid. 1. Check engine's light illuminates. A malfunctioning purge valve solenoid disrupts the evaporative system, triggering the check engine light. The most common diagnostic trouble codes related to this issue include P0441, incorrect purge flow, P0442, small evaporative system leak, P0455, large evaporative system leak. So, what to do? Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the codes and pinpoint the issue. 2. Rough idlings or stalling. The engine may idle roughly or stall, especially when stopped at a traffic light or after starting the car. If the solenoid is stuck open, excess air can enter the engine, causing an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture. 3. Difficulty starting the engine. When the purge valve solenoid is stuck open, it may allow fuel vapors to flood the engine, causing a rich condition. This can make the engine hard to start, especially after refueling. 4. Poor fuel economy. A faulty purge valve solenoid can waste fuel vapors by allowing them to escape instead of being used for combustion, reducing overall fuel efficiency. 5. Noticeable fuel odor. If the solenoid is stuck closed, fuel vapors may accumulate in the evaporative system and eventually leak, causing a noticeable gas smell around the car. 6. Increased emissions. A malfunctioning solenoid prevents the proper recycling of fuel vapors, leading to higher emissions, which can cause the car to fail an emissions test. A defective purge valve solenoid affects the evaporative system's ability to properly control fuel vapors, leading to emissions levels that exceed the allowable limits during testing. 7. Clicking noise. In some cases, you may hear a faint clicking noise coming from the engine bay. Why it happens? A damaged solenoid can cause abnormal operation, leading to strange noises during its attempt to function. So what causes a faulty purge valve solenoid? Wear and tear. Over time, the solenoid can fail due to regular use. Electrical problems. Damaged wiring or a failed electrical connection can prevent the solenoid from operating properly. Clogs or contamination. Dirt, debris, or fuel residue can block the valve or its hoses. So, what to do if you suspect a faulty purge valve solenoid? You can inspect the system by checking on the solenoid and hoses for visible damage or leaks. Test the solenoid by using a multimeter to check the electrical resistance or a vacuum pump to test its ability to hold and release vacuum. Click on this video right here to perform a variety of tests. And as always, if this video has helped you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, happy driving, and I'll see you next time.